Welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're going to have a walk around a manager-driven 2019 demo. This is a Sorento SXL. It has every option that's available in 2019. Chrome alloy wheels and chrome down the sides of the doors. The brightest 3-pod lights you've ever seen with 4-pod halogen headlamps, front sensors, cruise control, stop, 360-degree panorama view on backup. Just a beautiful vehicle, lots of options. I'm probably not going over all of them, but I'm going to just let you take a look at the vehicle. It is in white. It's just under 10,000 kilometers as a demo, so lots of money to be saved here at the West Coast Kia. Just so you know, we're at 19950 Lougheed Highway at the border of Pitt Meadows and Maple Ridge, right at the foot of the Golden Ears Bridge. Nice dark tinted glass. It has the sound deadening. It has security on the doors. There's that roof I was talking about. It's all panorama top on white. It's very pretty. On the SXL, the SX trims and the SXL trims, all of the rubber that's wrapped around the vehicle is painted to match the color of the vehicle, so you won't have to worry about rust. LED tail lamps, super dark tinted windows, nice spoiler on the tailgate. This is a smart lift tailgate, so if I stand behind it for 3 seconds from a closer distance, it will automatically open. The SX and the SXL, they sport this beautiful rear bumper cover and front bumper cover that are completely different than all the other levels. I'll just pop the trunk and let you see all the mats are there. It is a 7-seater. It's a 3.3 liter V6 with an automatic, and it can trailer 5,000 pounds. So as you walk in, all your mats are there. Lots of room in the back for the third person with their own separate air conditioning controlling. The center can drop, so you can actually have a pass-through. There's your sunroof. It goes all the way back to the passengers. Really nice SXL, very low kilometers. If you've been looking for one, this one's here and ready to go. Runs on regular fuel. Just pop that back door. It does have the screening on the windows for comfort. You can open your windows and still have some shade. Heated back seats in the second row. It does have an armrest there. I've got the seats kind of awkwardly situated. You can stand them up straight if you've got some gear in the back, or you can put them in recline, all while you're driving from this little handle. 3-prong plug-in in the back, USBs. Air conditioning can be aimed at your guests. Wood grain trim on the back of the seats. This is Nappa leather. A little bit of a two-tone black with a slightly lighter black. Push button starts, and it's alarming just that I'm out here with the key. Power mirrors, power windows. Seats can be set for either driver. Let's let you take a look. There are pores in the seats in the back and in the bottom, so that you can actually fan your back and bottom in the summer months, and heat, of course, in the winter. Heated steering wheel as well. Separate climate control, so it's actually tri. So you've got air conditioning and heat in the back and then in the front. You've got navigation, panorama, backup. This has 9,900 kilometers, Bluetooth, cruise control off to the right there. Sorry, I'm going a little bit quick. Blind spot detection, lane departure warning and control, so it'll actually steer you back in to the lane if you're not paying attention, slightly. Locking 4x4 drive modes, view in the back, so if you put a trailer on it as you drive away, the backup camera will stay on for a period of time, just so that you know your stuff is all good in the back. So nice vehicle. We're at West Coast Kia here. This hasn't been here long. Come get a demo. West Coast Kia.